Alright, so I just decided to make a quick video for you guys to watch over the weekend. This is Figma. I'm using a free plugin called Figma to Code, where you can take a website URL and it will convert that website to the Figma workspace. And I'm in that project right now. As you can see, I have the whole web page that we are programming on. It has been exported into Figma. As you can see, we have all the elements here, everything as it should. So let's say I want to focus on this top navigational div. As you can see, I'm selected right here on that div. It's part of the banner element. So okay, I'm inside the div right now, and I want to copy, let's say I want to copy all that code. So I would just go here. I'll choose if I want HTML, React, Tailwind, blah, blah, blah. I want HTML code. And then I have like, I can choose all the code here. Just you plug and paste that into your VS Code, you're going to see all the HTML over there. As long as, also with all the styling as well, and the colors. It also separates all the colors as well. So let's say I want to work inside the main section here. Main section here of our app. So if I want to focus on this, for example, this main section, I'll just copy and paste that. And with this, I can kind of work that into React, right? You know, again, here we have all the styling and stuff. So it also goes ahead and gives you all the assets for each icon, you know, as vectors. So we don't need to worry about finding each icon. Everything is here as it should, you know, and we can kind of have a better idea of what each element should be, how it behaves on the whole website, how that structure looks. So I think this is going to play an important part when we are trying to DV out all the components, you know, in React. So I just thought that this was going to be a useful tutorial for you guys, or not a tutorial, just kind of overview of Figma's HTML to code plugin. I hope that was helpful.